Hello students. In this video we are going to solve the practice question set 10 LCM and H.C.F of numbers. Okay, so let's start. The first question is find the H.C.F of 36 and 48. So here we have to find the H.C.F, highest common factor. So we have to first find the 36's factors. 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay, these are the 36 factors and now we have to find the 48 factors. 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are and 2 3s are and 3 1s are. Okay, so 36 factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 into 3 and 48 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So now we have to find the common factors amongst these. So which is the common here? 2 and here is 2 common and then 3. So 3 numbers are common. So 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12. So our answer is 12. That HCF is option number C. 12 is the answer. Okay. So you can use the long division method. In long division method, we have to divide the larger number by the smaller number. So 36 ones are 36. Remainder is 12. And we have to take the last divisor as a dividend. So that is 36 and then we have to divide by the remainder. So 12 3s are 36 and remainder is 0. So when remainder is 0, it means it is exactly divisible. So last divisor, this is. Last divisor is our HCF. Okay, so option number C is the answer. Okay, both methods you can, whichever you want, you can follow. Okay, so next question then. Find the HCF of 16, 24 and 36. Okay, so first we have to find the 16's factors. 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are and 2 1s are. And 24's factors. 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are and 3 1s are. And 36's factors. 2 18s are, 2 9s are and 3 3s are and 3 1s are. Okay, so we have to write it here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and then 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So which is the common here? So we have to find. So here 2 is the common and here 2 is the common and then see okay. So 2 into 2, that is 4. So our HCF is 4. Option number D. Option number D is 4. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, if you want a long division method, so we have to divide the larger number by smaller number. So we have to take larger number here as 26, 24. You can take a 36 also, but we can take like this. So 16 ones are 16, remainder is 8 and 16, and then 8 twos are 16 and 0. Okay, so see here 8. And then you have to take a again you have to take this last divisor and then you have to divide by 36 because first we divide this one now, so remainder is 36. So 8 4s are 32 and then 36 minus 32 is 4 and then 8 and 4 2s are 8 and 0. So HCF is the last divisor is 4. Last divisor is 4. So option number D, 4 is the answer. Okay. So next one. What is the greatest number that divides 765 and 916 exactly? Okay. So see here, greatest. Greatest means nothing but that is a HCF, highest common factor. Greatest, largest, highest, all are same. Okay. So we have to find the HCF of the 765 and 918. So we have to find the 765 factors first of all. So 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15. So 153 is a 765. So 153 is the prime number. So 153 1s are 153. And then 918, and then 2 4s are, and 2 5s are 9s are. Okay, and 3 153 is a, and 153 ones are. Okay, so we get 5 into 153, and here 2 into 3 into 153. So now we have to find the common here. So which is the common here? 153 and 153. Okay, so 153 is our HCF. Okay, so option number B is our answer. Okay, if you want, you can use the 765 and 918 to divide. So 765 ones are 765, and remainder is 153, and then 765. So 153 5s are 765. So remainder is 00. So our last divisor is our HCF. Okay, so next question. Fourth one. What is the maximum length of equal pieces that can be cut from two rods of length 36 m and 54 m? M means meter. Okay. So maximum. See here, what is the maximum length? Maximum is also means largest and highest common factor. Okay, highest common factor, largest, maximum, that all are same. Okay, we have to find the HCF of that numbers. So 36 and 54. So 36. Okay, so 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are, and 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Okay, and then you have to 54's HCF. Okay, sorry, factors of 54. 2 27s are, and 3 9s are, and 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3, and 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So which is the common here we have to find. So 2, and here 3, and here 3. So 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So 18 meter is our answer, option number C. Okay, if you want longer method, I am solving the both methods. Okay, if you want, take here. So 36 ones are 36, 54 minus 36 is 18, and then 36. Okay, remainder is 18. We have to take the last divisor as a dividend again. So 18 2s are 36. So remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, it means that process ends here. So last divisor is our HCF. Last divisor is our HCF. So 18 meter is the answer. Okay, so next. Find the LCM of 64 and 108. Okay, so we have to find the LCM, least common multiple. Okay, so first we have to take the 60. We have to write the 64 and 108 in a row, and you have to find the LCM. So how we find? We have to take a one number, that prime number, which divides both or at least one number. So we have to take a 2 because they both are the even numbers. So 2 32s are, 2 54s are, 2 16s are 32, 2 27s are 54, 2 8s are 16, and in 2's table that 27 is not come, so 27 as it is, and 2 4s are 8, and again 27 as it is, and 2 2s are 4, and 27 as it is, and then 2 1s are 2, and 27 as it is, and 3 9s are 27, and 3 3s are 9, and then 3 1s are 3. Okay, so what we get the factors here? 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, 4 5 6 times 2, and then 3 into 3 into sorry, 3. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 into 2 is 64, 64 into 3 is 192, 192 into 3 is 576, 576 into 3 is 1728. So our answer will be 1728. Okay, so option number B is the answer. Okay, so next, sixth one. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 4, 5, 8 and 12? Okay, which of the following numbers is divisible by 4, 5, 8 and 12? So we have to take the LCM of that numbers 4, 5, 8 and 12. Okay. So 2 2s are 4 and 5 as it is. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 5 as it is, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. And 5 1s are 5, 2 as it is and 3 as it is. And 2 1s are and 3 as it is and 3 1s are. So what we get the factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. Okay, I am writing first 3. So 2 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 3, both are same. Okay, so we have to multiply this. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, into 5 is 120. So 120 is the answer, option number B. Okay, you can show a number which is divisible by 4, 5, 8 and 12. Okay, a number which is divisible by 4, 5, 8 and 12 are also, okay, is also divisible by the LCM of 4, 5, 8 and 12. So LCM is 120. Okay, so the number which is divisible by 4, 5, 8 and 12 is 120. Option number B is the answer. Okay, so next, the seventh one, the H.C.F of any two co-prime numbers is, okay, we know that co-prime numbers means, for example, 2 and 5, okay, the two numbers which are sharing the only common factor 1, okay, in 2 and 5's common factor is 1, yes, na? For example, 8 and 15, okay, and 5 and 7, these are the common co-prime numbers, so it shares only one common factor, that is 1, because both are not comes in one table, na? 8 comes in another table and 15 comes in another table, so both not comes in one table, so that's why these are the co-primes. So these common factors are 1, so that's why the HCF means nothing but that is the highest common factor. So highest common factor of any co-prime numbers is always be 1. Okay, option number B, 1 is the answer. Okay, the two given numbers are said to be a co-primes or co-primes if their HCF is 1. Okay, next, eighth one, the LCM of any co-primes is always equal to their. Okay, LCM of any two co-primes is. It means, for example, I take na 2 and 3. These are the co-prime numbers. Yes, na? Because it shares only one common factor. So these are the co-prime numbers. So what is the LCM of this? How we take the LCM? See, 2 and 3. Yes, na? So 2 ones are and 3 ones are. See here. It is not needed to do the LCM like this, but you have to understand, that's why I am doing. So 2 3s are 6. So this is the LCM of this na. 2 and 3's LCM is 6. So what is that? That is product. Yes na? These are the first number and second number. When we multiply this, what we get the result, that is called the product. Yes na? So that's why the LCM of any two co-prime numbers is always equal to their product. Option number C is the answer. For example, you can also check 5 and 2. 5 2s are 10 because these are also the co-prime numbers. So when we if you want to take the LCM of that number, it means simply we have to multiply that number. So we get the LCM. So option number C is the answer. Okay. So next, ninth one. The product of the two co-prime numbers is 128. Their LCM should be the product of two co-prime numbers is. Okay, for example, they are not giving the first one x. The x and y are the co-prime numbers. Okay, we don't know that numbers. That numbers product is 128. Okay, so their LCM should be. We know that. Yes, na. We know that already that LCM of co-prime numbers is always equal to their product. In last question you learned na. Eighth one, same similarly. LCM of, if you want you can write it here, LCM of co-primes, co-prime numbers is always equal to their product. Okay, LCM of co-prime numbers is always equal to their product. So that's why LCM of the given numbers co-primes is 128. Yes, now the product is also called the product or also called LCM. So what is the LCM here? We have to find the LCM now. So 128, option number C. Okay, so next one. 10th one. The LCM of three different numbers is 954. Which of the following cannot be their H.C.F? Okay, the LCM of three different numbers is 954. Which of the following cannot be their H.C.F? Okay, so how we find here? H.C.F of always divide the LCM. We know that, yes, na? H.C.F always divide the LCM. Exactly. So 15 cannot be there HCF because here 15 does not divide by exactly 954. So here this is a even number and this is divisible by 6 also, and 9 also. 9's divisibility will know na 9. So when 9's divisibility rule is 9 plus 5 plus 4. So when we add this, what we get? 18. Okay, so 18 is not divisible, divisible by 954. Okay, similarly 6. 6 also, we know that 18 is comes in 6 stable. So this is also divisible by, and then 18, okay, 18, 1 is 18. So it means 18 is also divisible by 954. So which is not divisible by here? So option number D. Okay, option number D is the answer because HCF always divides the LCM. Okay, if you want to write it here, HCF always divides the LCM. Exactly. Okay, HCF always divides the LCM exactly. So therefore, 15 cannot be there HCF because 15 does not divide 954 exactly. From 9, 6 and 18, we can divide 954. But we can't divide the 954 by 15. So that is the option number D. Option number D, 15 is the answer. Because which of the following cannot be their HCF? Because HCF always divides the LCM. We know that already. So that's why 15 is the answer. Okay. So next. 11th one. The bells of three schools begin to toll together, and after that they toll at the intervals of 40, 64 and 72 minutes. After what interval of time will they toll again together? Okay, in this type of questions, we know that we have to take the LCM of that numbers. Okay, 40, 64 and 72 in minutes they are given. So first we have to take the LCM of these numbers. So 2 20s are, 2 32s are, and 2 36s are, 2 10s are, 2 16s are, and 2 18s are, 2 5s are, 2 8s are, and 2 9s are, and 5 1s are, and 8 as it is, and 9 as it is. 2 4s are 8, and 9 as it is. Okay, then again 2 twos are 4, and 2 ones are 2, and 9 as it is, and then 3 threes are 9, 3 as it is, and 3 ones are okay. So now we have to multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So when we multiply this, we get 2880 minutes. 5 minutes because they are given in the minutes. See here, minutes. So 2880 minutes we get that is the LCM. Okay, now, but that is not in the option, no, that they are given in the hours. So we have to convert it minutes into hours. So we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So we have to simply 2880 divided by 60 we have to do. So okay, this one cancel. 6 ones are 4 12, 6 4s are 24, 4 is remainder, and 6 8s are 48. So 48 hour is the answer. Okay. So option number D, 48 hour is the answer. Okay. So next. 12th one. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossing changes after every 48, 72 and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 10 a.m., at what time will they change again simultaneously? Okay. Traffic lights at the 3 different road crossing changes after 48, 72, 108 seconds. So 48, 72 and 108, we have to take the LCM. So 2 24s are, 2 36s are, 2 54s are, 2 12s are, 2 18s are, and 2 27s are, and 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 27 as it is, and 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, 2 1s are 3 as it is, and 9. 3 ones are 3 threes are, and 3 ones are 3 ones. So what we put the factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 3. So we have to multiply this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 2, 24 into 3, 70 72 into 2, 144, 144 into 3 is 432. So you get 432 seconds. Okay. So 232 seconds. 5 seconds here they are given in the seconds. So yeah, this is the LCM. Okay. So we know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay. So now we have to, in seconds, we have to convert the in minutes because they are given the hour. Okay. Minutes and hour. Okay. Option you can see here. So we have to first 432 divided by 60 we have to do. So 432, 61 are 6, 7 are 42. It means 420 and remainder is 12. So see here 7 minutes and 12 seconds. It means whatever the quotient we have to take in minutes and remainder is the seconds. Okay. So what we get? 7 minutes and 12 second we get. Okay. So now they are not given like this. No, they are given also in a hour. So if the changes simultaneously at 10 a.m. Okay, they are given 10 a.m. So now we have to 10 a.m. plus what we get? 7 minutes and 7 minutes 12 seconds. We have to add. So what we get here? 10 hour and 7 minutes and 12 seconds. That is in the AM, no? So that is in our answer will be also in AM. So 10 hour 7 minutes 12 second. So option number C is our answer. Okay. So next 13. Three bells ring at the intervals of 12, 18 and 24 minutes respectively. They started ringing simultaneously at 10 a.m. What will be the next time when they all ring simultaneously? Okay. So we have to first take the 12, 18 and 24's LCM. 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18, 2 12 are 24, 2 okay, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12, 2 1 are 3 as it is, 2 2 are 4, and then 3 1 are and 2 1 are. Okay, so 2 3 2 3 into 2. So when we multiply, we get 72 minutes. Okay, 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 3 are 36, 36 into 2 is 72. So 72 minutes is our LCM. Okay, they are given the minutes. So again, they are given in the hour. Okay, simultaneously at 10 a.m. They are given the hour. So we have to convert this in a hour. We know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So when we want to convert in a minutes to hour, we have to divide simply. So 72 divided by 60. Okay. So 61 is 60. Remainder is 12. So 1 minutes. Sorry, in hour we are converting in a hour, no? So 1 hour and 12 minutes. Okay. When we are converting the in seconds to minutes, then it comes the minutes and this is the seconds. But here we are converting minutes into hour. So 1 hour and 12 minutes. Okay. So now we have to, what we get? 1 hour, 12 minutes. Okay. But this is not in the option, no? So what we have to do is 10 a.m. Okay. In 10 a.m. we have to add the 1 hour. Okay. 1 hour 12 minutes we have to add. So here 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 hour and 12 minutes. Okay, na? 11 hour 12 minutes we get the answer. So where it says 11 hour and 12 minutes. Option number C is the answer. Okay. So next. 14. Three bells ring at the intervals of 12, 15 and 18 minutes respectively. They started ringing simultaneously at 11 a.m. What will be the next time when they all ring simultaneously? Okay. Again, we have to take the LCM of that given numbers. 2 6 are 12, 15 as it is, 2 9s are 18, 3 2s are 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 5 as it is, 3 as it is, and 5 1s are and then 3 as it is and 1 as it is here, and 3 ones are 3. Okay, so what we get? 2 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 63s are 180 minutes. So that is the LCM. What we get? 180 minutes. Okay, so this is in the minutes, so we have to convert in a hour. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. We know that. So when we have to convert minutes into hour, we have to simply divide 180 divided by 60. Okay. So here this 0 got 6 1s are 6 3s are. Okay. If you want, you can also divide like this. 63 is a 180. So what we get? 3 hour. Okay, now we are converting minutes to hour. So that's why this is a hour. Okay, so 3 hour. So they are given the L1 AM. Okay, see here 11 AM. Okay, they started ringing simultaneously at L1 AM. What will be the next time? Okay, next time when they ring, when they all ring simultaneously. So we have to just simply add 3 hour. Okay, 3 hour we have to add here. So L1, then 12 here, L1, we have to 1, if you add 1 hour, that becomes 12, no? Yes, not 12. Okay, when we add 1 hour to here, so that becomes 12. After the 12, when we add what we get, that is 1. Yes, no? Because after the 12 hour, we get the 1. And then again we have to add 1. So 2. Yes, no? Plus 1. It means when we add 3 hour here, so that becomes 2 hour. Okay. Then L1 plus 3 hour equal to 2. That is L1 is in the AM. Yes, na, that is in the AM. When 12 o'clock is there, so after that, after the 12, that is the PM, no? So that's why here AM, L1 is AM, after the 12, PM, 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 no? So that's why that becomes PM. Yes, na? So 2 PM is the answer. Okay, if you want L1 plus 3 is 14. Okay, 14 hour in the 24 clock. Okay, 24-hour clock. Okay, wait. In 24-hour clock, we said 14 hour. 14 hour means, see, 12. 12 after that, 13, 14. 14 means, here, 12 is there and 13 and 14. It means 12 means 12 and 13 means 1 and 14 means 2. So that is 2 PM. Okay. Option number B is the, option number. Here the typing mistake is there. AM, here is also AM, here is also AM. So you have to do one thing. Option number B, 2 PM. You have to write it here, okay? There is a typing mistake. So option number B, 2 PM is the answer. Okay, so next. 15. The LCM of two numbers is 72. If the numbers are 18 and 24 respectively, find their HCF. Okay, LCM of two numbers is 72. So we know that one formula is there, no? That is a first number into second number equal to LCM and into HCF. Okay, the LCM of the two numbers is 72. Okay, so LCM we have to just put the values in their formula. So LCM is 72. Okay, and we have to find the HCF now. So that is question mark. If the numbers are 18 and 24, the first number is 18 and second number is 24. So we have to find the HCF here. Okay, so HCF equal to here 18 into 24 divided by 72, because 72 is in the, here see multiplication size, no sign. So we have to take in a division. Okay, that becomes division when we transfer to here. So 18 into 24 divided by 70. So now we have to divide. 2 9s are 18. and then 2 36 are, and 9 ones are 9 fours are 36, and then 4 ones are 4 6 are 24. So 6 is the answer. Option number B. Okay, in this type of questions, you have to remember this formula. Okay, next. 16. Two numbers are in the ratio of 5 is to 6. If their HCF is 11, find the numbers. So here we have to find the numbers. Okay. So here the ratio is 5. We don't know that number. So we have to take x and then 6x equal to, they are given HCF is 11. Okay. Okay, L1 is the HCF. So we know that we have to just multiply that numbers. Okay, it means 5 into 11. That LCF, HCF we have to multiply. So 11 5 are 55 and 6 into 11. Then 66. So required numbers are 55 and 66. Okay. If they are asking the numbers, then you have to simply, what we have to do, two numbers are in the ratio. In the ratio they are given, then they are given the HCF also. So simply you have to multiply the ratio and HCF. Okay, highest common factor. So 5 into L1 is 55 and L1 into 6 is 66. In simply you can easily find out that. Okay, so option number D is the answer. Next, 17. Two numbers are in the ratio of 2 is to 3. If their LCM is 54, find the numbers. Okay, see here. Similar question, but here we have to find the LCM. In LCM, there is a small changes is there. So, we know that 2x, that numbers, we don't know that. That's why we have to take a x. So, we have to take the LCM of these numbers. So, how we take the LCMs here? See, we have to divide these numbers, no? So x 2s are, x 1s are, and x 2s are, x common here, so we have to take like this, and 2 1s are, and 3 1s are. So x into 2 into 3, 3 2s are 6x, yes na? So LCM is 6x, or simply you can see here 3 2s are 6 into x, 6x you have to write. Okay, so this is the LCM. So what we have to do is 6x equal to, the given LCM is 54. Given LCM is 54 na here, so we have to take here. So x equal to 54 divided by 6. So 6 ones are 6 nines are 54. So 9 is that number. Okay, we get like a HCF. Yes na? So now we get the HCF, highest common factor. So that is a HCF. So now see here we have to simply the given numbers are 2 into x. You can, if you want, you can write like this, and 3x, yes na? So 2 into, you have to put the value, x's value is 9 and 3's value is 3 into, that is 9. So 9 2's are 18 and 9 3's are 27. So we get that numbers 18 and 27. Okay. Simply we have to just, first of all we have to multiply these 3 into 2x, and what we get the product, we have to divide it by the LCM. Okay, LCM divided by that product. So what we get the answer, that result we have to multiply with again ratios. Okay, so then we get the numbers 18 and 27. So option number D is the answer. Next one, 18. The HCF of two numbers is 7 and their LCM is 840. If one of the numbers is 54, 56, find the other. Okay. Here HCF of two numbers is 7. Their LCM is 40. If one number is 56, find the other. So we know the formula, first number into second number equal to HCF into LCM. So what we are there? HCF is 7. Okay, LCM is 840. And then LCM is 840. If one number is 56, we don't know that now second number. Yes, now we have to find the other number, means you can take a second number, whatever you want. Okay, so second number or other number, or you can take a question mark, whatever, and then 7 into 840. This is in the multiplication sign, no? So we have to take a division here. So we have to just reduce this. 7 ones are 7 eights are, and 8 ones are 8 ones are 8, and 1 0, and 8 fives are 40. So 105. That another number is 105. When we put the value in the second number, that is 156 into 105 equal to 7 into 840, both are equal. Okay, so option number B is the answer, 105. Okay, next question then. The highest common factor of 0 and 12 is, okay, 0 and 12 is. So we know that already 0 is not, we can't divide by 0. Yes, na? 0 is not value. Yes, na? 0 has no value. So when we divide by any number, okay, any natural number with 0, that is not defined. Yes, na? That is not defined. So here the division by, if you want to write it here like the division by 0 is undefined. Therefore, 0 can't be factor of any natural numbers. Yes, na? Because you can see na 0 divided by 6, whatever you want. So we can't divide na 0. Yes, na? In this way. So that's why 0 can't be factor of any natural numbers. So that's why the answer is undefined. Okay, option number D, undefined. The HCF of 0 and 12 is undefined. Highest common factor is nothing but that is a HCF. Yes, na? Highest common factor we can't find na here. So that is undefined. Next. 20. Find the HCF of 2 is to 2 and 2, 3 is to 2, 5 into 7 is to 2, 2 is to 3 into 3, 5 3 times into 7, 2 4 times, 3 4 times, and 7 into 11 2 times. So here we have to find the HCF. How we find the HCF? We have to first here we have to find the common factors. They are given the factors wise. So 2 3 times into 3 into 5 3 times into 7. And then 3 4 times 7 into 11 times. So now we have to find the common here. Okay. So how we find the common? In HCF we have to find out the which is common here. First 2. Okay, sorry, I am not writing the here. 2 4 time is also there, na? 2 4 times and 3 4 times 7. So which are the common here? So here 2 and these 2 and these 2. Yes, na? 2 are the common here, and 3 is also common here. Yes, na? Here 3 and here 3. And again see 7 is also common here. Yes, na? So now how we find? See here which is the lowest power. It means we have to check out the powers. Okay, here 4, here 3, and here 2. So which is the lowest power here? 2 times, na? We have to take, and in 3 is the common in all factors. Yes, na? So which is the lowest factor here? 4, and here 2, and which is the lower? That is 3 one time, no? So 3 one time, and here also 7 7 and 7 2 times, and 7 2 t is the largest. Yes, na? 7 one time, 7 one times. It means we have to take only one time. Okay, so 2 times 2 means 2 into 2 and 3 into 7. 2 2 is a 4, 4 3 is a 12, 12 into 7 is 84. So 84 is the answer. In HCF, we have to find the lowest power of that. Okay, which is the lowest power? That is the common. Okay, so next, the HCF of 2 by 3 and 10 by 27 is. So we have, these are the fractions. These are the numerator and these are the denominators. Yes, na? So we have to first take the formula. HCF equal to HCF of the fractions equal to HCF of numerators and LCM of denominators. So it means HCF of numerators. See HCF of 2 and 10. 2 and 10, so we have to find the HCF and LCM of 3 and 27. So we have to find first LCM. Sorry, HCF 2 and 10s. How we find 2 ones are 2? Okay, that is over HCF na. And then 10. 2 5s are 10 and 5 ones are 5. So 2 here, 2 is the only common factor no here. And then 2 into 5. So which is the common? 2. Yes na? Which is the common that only take na? That is the HCF. So HCF is 2 we get. Okay. Now we have to find the LCM. LCM of 3, 2 and 7's LCM. See, these are the 3 and 27. Sorry. I take 2 and 7. That is 27. So 3 ones are 3 nines are 27. 3 threes are 9 and then 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 9 threes are 27 is the LCM. So what we get the answer now? So we have to just put in the values. It means formulas. So our HCF of 2 and 10 is 2 and LCM of 3 and 27 is 27. So 2 by 27 is the answer. That's it. It is too easy na? 2 by 27 is the answer. Option number C is the answer. Okay. Next. 22. The HCF of 9 by 10, 12 by 25 and 21 by 40. So HCF equal to HCF of numerator means needs and denominator. In the fractions, the upper side are numerator and these are the denominator. The HCF of 9, 12 and 21. Okay. The LCM of 10, 25 and 40. The HCF of, okay, first we have to find the HCF of 9, 12 and 21. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 and then 12, 3 4s are 12, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Okay, and 21's factors 3 7s are and 7 1s are. So 3 into 3, 3 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 7. Okay, this is a 7. So which is the common here? 3. Okay, 3 is only common now. So 3 is the HCF. So we have to just write it here 3. And now we have to find the LCM of 10, 25 and 40. Okay. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40. 2 1s are 2, 5 as it is, 2 4s are 8, 5 1s are 5, 4 as it is, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are. Okay, so what we get? 5 multiplied by 2 into 5 into 2 into 2. So when we multiply 5 to the 10, 10, 5 is 50, 50 to the 100, 100 into 2 is 200. So what we get? LCM as a 200. Okay, na? So here the HCF is 300 and LCM is 200. So we have to just simply put the in formulas. So HCF is 3 and LCM is 200. So see here, this is the answer where it says option number B is the answer. Okay, next. 23rd. The LCM of 2 by 9, 3 by 7 and 7 by 10 is, see here, the formula is in the LCF, HCF is HCF equal to HCF by LCM. But here LCM equal to, it means we have to take the LCM of numerator. Okay, and HCF of denominators. The LCM. So first we have to take the LCM of 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7 are the prime numbers. Okay, all are in the prime numbers. So we have to simply multiply. Because we know that LCM is equal to the co-primes product is equal to the LCM. So simply we have to multiply 3 to the 6, 6 7s are 42. So 42 is the LCM and 9, 7 and 10's HCF we have to find. Yes, na? So see here, these are all the These all numbers like a co-primes. See here 9, 7, 10. These are not comes in any other table. No? This is not shared by any other common factors. So 9, 7 and 10's common factor is 1. H.C.F. 1 is the H.C.F here. Why? Because these are the co-prime numbers. Okay, co-prime numbers always the H.C.F is 1. We know that, so 1 is the H.C.F. So 42 by 1 is the answer, option number B. If they are given like 42 by 1, you can also write like a 42 because 1 1 is 142 na. So 42 final answer is 42. But they are given like a 42 by 1. So option number B is the answer. Okay, next. 24. The H.C.F of 4 into 27 into 125. 8 into 9 into 25 into 7, 16 into 81 into 5 into 49 into 11. So simply we have to first write it here. SCF means we have to find the common factor here. 8 into 9 into 25 into 7. 16 into 81 into 5 into 49 into 11. So which is the common here we have to find. In here which is the common? Common is that here they are given like this, no? So we can first of all we have to see here 4 into 27 into 125. They are given directly. These are not the prime factors, na? So now we have to first find out the prime factors of these. Okay, how we find 4? We can write like a 2 into 2, yes, na? 2 into 2 is also 4, and then 27 we have to convert in a factors. Okay, it means prime factors. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. We can also write like this, na, 27 for 27, and 5 5s are 25, 25 into 125. Okay, we are just splitting these composite numbers in a prime numbers. Okay, just converting the prime numbers into composite numbers. So 8, how we write? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and then 9. 9, so factors are 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, and 5 5s are 25, and 7 1s are 7. Yes, na? If you want, you can take like a 8's factors and then 9's factors like this. Okay, so 16 factors are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay, and then 3 81, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 3 is 81, and then again 5 as it is, and 49, 7 7 is 49, and 11 as it is. Now we have to find the common here. Okay, what we do first, they are given like a composite numbers also, na? So we have to take all composite numbers prime factors. Okay, so now get the, we have to next, now we have to find the common here. So here is 2, here is 2, here is 2, so that is the common 2. Okay, and next number is again 2 2 is the common, no? Here 2, here 2, here 2. Okay, so now again 2 is the common. See, another one 2 is not common here, and 3 here is also 3, here is also 3, here is also 3. So 3 times 4. And again see, here is 3, here is 3, and here is 3. Okay, so 3 is the common here. We have to find the common. Here 3, and here is not 3, here is 3, but that is not a common. And 5, see 5 is the common here, here is the 5, and here is the 5. So 1 time 5 is the common here. Okay, and then next is 7 is not common here, here is 7. Okay, L1. So that's it. So now we have to multiply. 2 to the 4, 4 3 are 12, 12 3 are 36, 36 into 5 is 180. Okay, 36 into 5 is 180. So that is the HCF. Okay, option number C. 180 is the answer. Okay, so next, 25th. The LCM of three different numbers is 615. Which of the following can be their HCF? Okay, the LCM of three different numbers is 650. Which of the following can be their HCF? We know that na HCF always divides the HCF always divides the LCM. Exactly. Therefore, the given Here 15 can be the option number C here, which is not defined here. C divided 615 is the given number. Okay, that is the LCM. H.C.F always divides the LCM exactly. It means we have to find the which divides the y 615. So here 15 is divisible by. It means 615 is divisible by 15. No, that is exactly divisible. So our answer is option number A. 615 is the answer. Okay, and 12 is not divisible by this. Yes, na 615 is not divisible by 12, and 9 is also not divisible. Yes, na, and 7 also not. It means 615 not divisible by 12, 9 and 7, only divisible by 15. So that's why our answer will be the option number 15. 15 ones are 15, 40 ones are. It means that is exactly divisible, no? So that's why that is the answer. So 15 can be the H.C.F. Can be the H.C.F of given numbers, given different numbers. Given different numbers. Why? Because of in the options only 15 divides, because only 15 divides the 615. Yes, na? Only 15 divides the 615. 12 and 9 and 7 not divide the 615 exactly. So that's why our answer is option number A. Okay. So that's it. Then bye.